Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Syarifah Aisyah Syahiera. I'm the 7th grade student. Indeed, it is very great pleasure for me in this precious chance to deliver my story about our nature. And I don't forget to say to the most honorable jurors who give me time to deliver this story. And for all viewers of my video. Yes, I'll start the story entitled Nature and All Living in It. Before starting my story, I want to take one of the quote from Maxim Legas. By discovering nature, you discover yourself. As we know, nature is the entire physical world around us. It includes atmosphere, weather, ecosystem, fauna, and landscapes. The beautiful environment around us, who we call nature, is the mother of all humans. Why we call it that? Because nature is like our mothers who provide us with all needs to survive. God has only gifted us with nature, and we should be thankful for that, and we have to keep it well. Everything we see around us, right after we are out from home, is part of nature. The trees, animals, landscapes, flowers, trees, sunlight, everything that makes our surroundings so beautiful are part of nature. Nature does not arise spontaneously, but it needs years and years to bloom and blossom. Nature took billions of years to grow and form to shape what we see today. May I continue my story about nature? Thank you. According to researchers, nature we see today has developed in 4.5 billion years. The land made of molten magma and the atmosphere was toxic to survive. Slowly, the earth cooled down and life started blooming on it. It began to rain, and nature, as we see today, was formed. It was start living creatures like animals, birds, and finally, humans. It is the nature who never harms us, but always nourishes us. By providing us fruits and vegetables, water, and oxygen, they have many advantages for our life. It is usually seen that people who live close to nature, especially the villagers who live peacefully, compared to the people living at crowded places like in the city. Nature provides the sweet sound of chirping birds to hear every morning. provides us fresh air and the flow of river, and also supplies the raw material for economic development too. Unfortunately, humans today are polluting nature. Place has fallen slowly. The use of plastic, emission of CO2, production of industrial waste, increased use of chemicals, deforestation, and polluting of water are serious concerns today. These are not only polluting nature and are also degrading the quality of the environment. Many people currently try to save nature by founding nature conservation organizations to preserve and return to nature and beauty around us. By taking small steps like planting trees, using biodegradable materials, stopping water pollution, animal conservation, and keeping our surroundings clean. Yes, Chagas and all viewers, it's my story about nature for life. We must pray and keep our nature and also try to make it better. Thanks for your time and attention. I wish it will be useful for us and save our nature for our detentions. See you. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.